We're back. And, well, I mean, by the looks of this car, this Austin 7, you probably think, oh, that's until you accelerate. This tune was made by Air 12 Gaming. It's a wheelie tune. And this you can earn by getting level 5 in the Horizon Super 7. Which is really, really cool. Might do an update video on that tomorrow. But anyways, this is going to be a super car review. And right now, we have this and the Mercedes AMG Hammer, which we are in right now. This thing has some crazy customization. It even has a wide body kit on it. Yeah, this is probably one of the best cars ever to come to Forza. Well, at least one of the best Mercedes. It has, I think it's an SLK V12 engine swap, which is pretty cool. Paired with a wide body kit, this thing is unstoppable. Well, until you hit a car or a tree. But it doesn't matter. This thing is a hammer, an AMG hammer. And this thing, it is blisteringly fast from the 90s, the 80s or 90s. But that's just Forza, the Austin 7, and the Merc. We also have Vehicle Simulator with the Meltdown Ambassador. This thing from 1936, I mean, it's pretty fast. And by pretty fast, I mean, it's really fast. Yo, this is probably the nuttiest and best car ever to come to the game. Why? It's only $1,936, and it is really fast. I got that on camera. That was sick. Yo. Holy heck, this thing is nuts. Oh. Yeah, it's unstable, but when you're up on two wheels, all of a sudden it's like, hey, I'm stable now. And then it just pulls that. Yeah, this is a beat. Okay, that time we tipped. Yeah, but this thing is a beast of a car. And just remember, it's from 1936. I mean, with upgrades, that's what truly makes it great. Yo, we just did it again. But that's not all that comes in this update. It also comes with a winter map too, and another car. The Night Stalker, aka the Knight Rider kit. This is a modified Pontiac Trans Am from 1985. I think it's an 85. And how to get it is you go over to this vending machine at the Pawncore Labs. Then follow this order: chocolate donut, hot dog, drink, glazed donut, strawberry or pink donut, hot dog,
access
drink.
Granted.
This will pop up, and make sure to step inside. It's an elevator. Then it will take you down, and you might have to turn around. Oh, here it is. Then you walk out this way, and there are a bunch of these files around the map. I forget their locations, and I already collected them all. But there's 8. All I remember, 1 by the campsite. But before you can collect those, you have to get these goggles, which are free. But there's 1 by the campsite, 1 by the hospital, the docks, and the drag race. And those are the only ones I can remember. And then down here, you can either take the boring way down the stairs or fall right through the middle. Then you have to go out this door, and you'll get to this train place. And there's this little acid pit over here. Now you can either walk on the edges, or you can get yourself a super awesome hover car like this. Now, right now, for the Ready Player 2 event, this car right here, this hover car, is only $1,985, or $1,985. And it's a hover car for less than a Camaro. And I go here. What? Whoops. Okay, we're back. Let's just do it the easy way. Do not try to hover over it. Yeah, don't try hovering over it. Just walk along the edges like so. Now, once you're here, get out a car. You can spawn cars in here, as you saw with the DeLorean. Get out some relatively fast, like, the Vel 16. Floor it down the tunnel. And trick shots! Yeet! Okay, that was a fail. But now that we're here, you're going to go into this and type in the code 1985. So 1985 and hit OK. Once you do that, step into the rocket once the doors open, and there should be a seat right directly left to the door. Get in that seat and just wait. You might have to go into third person for this.
9.
And then the rocket will blast off.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
And this will take you to where you actually have to buy this thing. Yes, it does cost money, $1,982. Personally, I think it's totally worth it. And here we are. Yeah. And then you want to go over to here. And boom. Here's the Night Stalker. It's relatively slow. Braking is decent. But all around, it's a good car for beginners. But honestly, I don't think it's worth all that. So, let's hop back through the portal. Ad astra per aspera. Which actually, from Latin to English, means to the stars, 3 difficulties. Who knew? So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, that was just 4 cars. But why does this always happen? She can never listen for 3 seconds. Sister, what is wrong with her? Well, guess we gotta go solve this problem now, if there's not enough problems in my life. Car stolen, 2 of my cars are stolen. This is like the only one I have left, along with another one that's getting worked on, so really it's my only car. Why do these people, what do they even want from us? I know. I don't, what? It's always one problem after another. My sister and I just have to get involved in everything. These people will definitely have to bad too. Why do they have to mess with us, and why does she have to mess with them? All our lives are especially after mom and dad died. They can't do this. Just floor it and make it there. nothing ever goes right. Now we're just in this rush. Race against time, race against their own lives. The mainframe is back on. I feel like it has to be the time zone again. I have to get back. But how? Without the time circle, I'm just stuck here. 2077 all the time. I can't just be back now. What have you done? I literally see them behind us. I told you not to go back for the FT9. I told you. Literally, I have another one being shipped right here from Japan. What the heck? You always have to draw us into something that we never want to be in. But no, you just have to get this and have to get this back and stuff. Come on, you know better. Why don't you just stay out of it for once? I mean, it's common sense. Come on, now we gotta go to the festival and pick up another one. Just got that here today. Every time we do this. Like, Maya, why can't you just help me for once? It's always about you. Come on. I'm getting a call from the festival. Okay, it's been delivered. Maya? I think I hear a helicopter. And not a good one either. Get to meet this helicopter chasing the boat. Right? You never listen. I don't get it. Why don't you ever listen to me? Or us? Why did we never listen to anyone? Or you never even listen to mom or dad? Now they're dead and it's your fault. Maya, no. Maya, I didn't mean it that way, okay? Okay, we're at that festival. Listen, I'm sorry, okay? I'm just really worked up. I'm sorry. Okay, please. I'm just sorry.